Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a heavy duty tow hitch, I want to show you this one here from Curt. So this is a class 5 trailer hitch. This is the Curt 15300 extra duty trailer hitch. It has a 2-inch receiver, and this one is compatible with Dodge trucks. We have it here on a 93 Dodge Ram, and this thing is awesome. It is definitely built to withstand a lot of heavy towing, and it is really dependable. So this is made super well. This thing is a total beast and it's definitely going to get the job done. So this has a gross trailer weight limit of 16,000 pounds, tongue weight of 2,400 pounds, weight distribution capacity of 17,000 pounds, and weight distribution tongue weight of 2,400. So this is definitely a really high quality, super well built, and very sturdy trailer hitch. We love it and have found it to be an extremely useful piece of equipment to have. Here we have it hooked up and towing about 10,000 pounds in this trailer, and it is no problem. It is working super well. It's easy to hook up and also to disconnect it. So we've been really happy with this trailer hitch and have found that it does everything that we need it to do. So that's why you can be totally confident in this trailer hitch, and that's my point of view.